Welcome to the chapter Our Food, Our Health. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand what are midday meals, list out few healthy food habits, explain how food is preserved for a long period of time, interpret the different ways of storing food, illustrate steps of preparation of Janta fridge, explain how food is wasted, describe the measures to be taken for preventing food wastage, understand how do we get the food. Let us start our chapter with the introduction. We know that all living beings need food. Food provides us energy for doing different activities and helps us to grow. Do you know? Do every human being eat the same type of food? Do we all eat food at the same time? Does everyone have the same food habits? Let us know. We get food from plants and animals. In this chapter, let us learn more about our food. To improve nutritional levels among children, the Government of India has launched the Midday Meal Program. Let us know what it is. In our country, there are many children who do not go to schools and do not get sufficient food to eat. Due to the lack of healthy food, children become weak and they do not show interest in their studies. Therefore, the Indian Supreme Court passed orders in the year 2004 to all the state governments to provide nutritional food to all the children in government schools under the midday meal scheme. Since then, the Indian government has been providing midday meals to the children of all government schools. The midday meal program provides free meals for children in primary and upper primary classes in government schools. In schools, group lunch helps the children in making new friends. Eating together helps them know about each other's food habits, likes and dislikes, etc. We will now learn about the healthy food habits in detail. Food is the most fundamental and essential part of everyone's life. Food provides us with the energy to grow and helps us to be healthy. Thus, everyone must take proper measures and eat healthy food. However, people nowadays are not taking proper care about the food they eat. People of all age groups are more addicted to roadside food than home food. The roadside food items are not at all healthy. As they are not properly covered, they contain dust, germs and insects like flies sit on the food and contaminate it. Also, most of the hotels and roadside food vendors use the same oil for a long time, which is very dangerous to our health. Do you know eating food that is prepared with repeatedly heated oil leads to cancer? Thus, one must avoid eating roadside food. Even at home, we should not reuse the oil which is already used. We should always prefer fresh and hot home food. If we store food for a long time, microorganisms and germs grow on them and spoil them. The food becomes poisonous and eating such food makes us unhealthy and sick. So, everyone must take proper safety measures in keeping food safe from dust and germs. It is always recommended to eat fresh hot food. We should never cook or buy excess food and waste it. Eating clean food with dirty hands is also unhealthy. So, everyone must follow good food habits every day. Always eat fresh food, Cover the food items with a lid. Wash your hands with soap before eating. Wash your plates properly after eating. Always prefer to eat food made at home than roadside food. Eat seasonally available fresh fruits, vegetables and leafy vegetables. Always use dustbins to throw away garbage and do not litter garbage everywhere. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after using toilets. Brush your teeth every morning and night before going to bed. While brushing, massage your gums with fingers. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Clean your tongue frequently.